the faculty is very good. They know their stuff. They answer questions, and there's an open door policy that actually exists, meaning that you will go up to a teacher, and then any time he will answer your questions and he will be willing to talk to you. So I think that from that perspective, that's one thing that the school promised before I accepted to join. They always talked about that open door policy, and it was actually good to realize that it does exist. The students are very good as well. Lubbock is in the western part of Texas, obviously. So you don't find too many people of different racial groups, but the students here are open. They're open. They accept diversity. They're easy to talk to, and it's just like students in any other university in America. There's no problem with the students. I think that actually we have a bunch of very, very intelligent students, because based on the class contributions from some of my classmates, I think that I've learned a lot from them. So I would say to any international student, the last thing you would have to worry about is the makeup of your classes. Just talking to people. Walk up to them and say hi. Introduce yourself, and people will do same from time to time. Speak in class. People will reach out to you after that and say, I like what you said, or I don't agree with what you said, and that's how you make friends. Or meet a classmate after and tell the classmate, hey, I would like us to form a study group, and they will say yes. Or meet for after class drinks or lunch or dinner. Students accept those things. The age group is between 21 to 30 something. So you're always going to find somebody who can do something with you. Lubbock is small. It's a small city. If you've lived in a city that is over 1 million people, you will be a little bit taken aback by Lubbock, simply because it's a smaller place. But it's a good place, because small means that you can get to class within 10 minutes. Small means that you can go home for lunch. Small means that you can go home to pick up a book if you forget a book. So I think that that's the advantage. Some of the facilities you will find in Dallas and Houston, you might not be able to find them here, but that's not to say that there's not other things you can do. So the city is small, but I think that it's a good thing that it is small. So if you don't have a car, maybe you can have someone pick you up and not having to ask them to drive for 30 minutes to do so. So it's a small city, a lot of students, 30,000 students in Texas Tech University. So there's always going to be something going on. Embrace your diversity. Embrace the fact that you are different. Embrace the fact that you are not like everybody else, because that's what sells you. Employers are looking for that special student all the time, and if that's your thing, if your thing is your diversity, your second language, or your capacity to relate to certain aspects of the law because you're from a different country, then embrace that. Make that your point. Make that something that you want to be an expert in, and employers will come toward you.